what's up guys? This is how to replace a window regulator on a 2012 Subaru Impreza. This is going to be shown on the front door. It looks pretty simple. Obviously I have the door taken apart already. If the door is still on the car, you still have it all put together, not to worry. I got a video on how to remove the door panel. Insert footage here. After you get the door panel off the inside, you're going to have something that looks kind of like this. There's going to be plastic and connectors, that's fine. You're going to have to peel up the plastic here, remove the plastic panel here. It should pop straight off, or you can get this back corner off and then slide it out. It's a white plastic panel, not that bad. After you get that and the door panel off, the plastic peeled up, there's one connector down here on the window regulator. If it's too hard for you to get to, you can take the window regulator out and then take the connector off, but it's not that bad. The connector looks like this. So again, not too bad. Just got a push tab on the side there. I believe that push tab faces out, so it'll be facing towards you when you're in there, but just push on that as hard as you can and pull off. Not that bad. To get the regulator out, we just got a handful of 10mm bolts. It's going to be here, 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 and here. And I believe that's all we need to do. These two side pieces that I have already taken out are just the guides for the window. So if your regulator's bad, you do not need to touch those. You simply roll the window down to here, undo these two bolts, slide the glass up and out by hand. You want to get the glass out of your way, or you can slide the glass all the way up and use painter's tape to hold it at the very top. That's okay too, but you need it out of your way in the door. So glass is unattached and up out of the way. We just got these three and these two 10mm bolts, and then we'll be able to lift the regulator up slightly and pull it out of the door this way. Camera died. My sweaty ass is back to window regulator. Like I said, these 5 bolts, there's one. You don't have to worry about it falling because there's a tab right here at the top. You tilt it up. That tab is done. Turn this sideways. Comes right on out. That, ladies and gentlemen, is your entire window regulator. Pretty crazy. This one looks nice and greased up. Grease is a little dry. It's alright. A little bit of rust in here. But yeah, this one's good. When you're going back in, same thing, just opposite. Slide it in. And then look for the tab. Drop that tab in. Since you got the tab lined up on top, throw a bolt in the bottom. There's a bolt in the bottom. Put the other 4 bolts in. You want every single bolt in and almost snug before you tighten anything, right? Because you don't want anything cockeyed. So all 5 bolts in. Tighten them all by hand. Once they're all in and tight by hand, get them snug. Get them nice and snug, right? And that's all you have to it. Plug her back in. Plastic cover back on. Hard plastic cover. Soft plastic cover. Door panel back on. Function test. Be good to go. That's how you replace the window regulator.